Just installed Dola AI and not sure what to do next. In this guide, I'll walk you through the complete setup process so you can start using Dola AI for reminders, scheduling, and everyday planning in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, your account will be fully configured and ready to use, so let's begin. First, download the Dola AI app from your device's App Store or open the official Dola AI website in your browser. Once it's installed or loaded, launch the app and wait for the welcome screen to appear. Next, sign in using your preferred account, such as Google or Apple. If you don't already have an account, follow the sign-up steps first. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken to your main workspace. To get the best experience, connect your calendar during the setup process. This allows Dola AI to view your existing events and help you organize future meetings, reminders, and appointments. Now allow notification access when prompted. Notifications are essential because they let Dola AI alert you about upcoming meetings, tasks, and reminders exactly when you need them. Next, check your basic settings. Depending on your device, you may be able to adjust your language, time zone, notification preferences, or other options that personalize your experience. Before you finish, create a simple reminder to make sure everything is working correctly. For example, type, "Remind me to check my email tomorrow morning." If the reminder appears in your schedule, your setup is complete. Now spend a few moments exploring the main interface. You'll find your reminders, upcoming events, AI chat, and calendar tools all in one place. Becoming familiar with these sections will help you get the most from Dola AI, and that's it. Your Dola AI setup is now complete, and you're ready to start organizing your daily schedule with AI assistance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.